In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in Google Docs. This process involves a bit of a roundabout method, so we'll be enlisting the help of another handy tool, Google Slides. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, and by the end of this video, you'll have your video ready to be included in your document seamlessly. Let's begin by opening Google Slides. If you're unfamiliar with this tool, it's essentially part of the Google Workspace suite, like Docs, and offers a great way to work with multimedia. First, open Google Slides in your browser. Once you have that open, you'll want to look at the top of the screen where you'll see the Insert menu. Click on Insert and then choose Video. Now you have a couple of options. You can either search for the YouTube video you want to embed directly from the search bar, or if you already have the URL handy, you can paste it directly into the search bar. For this demonstration, I'm going to paste the URL of the video I want to use. After you paste the URL, press Enter, and this will prompt Google Slides to display the specific video you've chosen. Once you've got your video preview on the screen, what you're going to do is click on the video to select it, then hit Insert. This will place the video onto your Google slide. From there, right-click on the video within your slide deck and choose the option to copy it. This step is crucial because we'll now be transitioning from Google Slides back to Google Docs. Next, head over to your Google Docs document. When you're in Google Docs, look up at the top menu and click on Insert. Then in the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing and click on New. This opens the drawing board within your document, a versatile space where we can work with our media. To paste your video into this drawing board, you have two options. You can either press Ctrl-V, which is the shortcut for paste, or you can simply right-click anywhere within the drawing window and select Paste from the context menu. As soon as your video appears in the drawing area, you'll want to click on Save and Close to embed it into your document. It's important to note that while the video image appears embedded in your Google document, it isn't playable directly from there. This integration doesn't support playback within Google Docs just yet. Instead, if you want to watch the video, click on the image that was created from the drawing board, select Edit, and you'll be able to access the video in the drawing board itself. From there, playback is supported and you can watch the video. And that's it. You now know how to embed a YouTube video in Google Docs using Google Slides. Although this method utilizes a couple of tools, it's straightforward and gets the job done with a little practice. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy embedding!